Welcome to my channel. Why is my Epson printer blue light blinking? Fix here. Step 1. Restart the printer. Turn off your Epson printer and unplug it from the power source for 2 minutes. Then plug it back in and restart. Step 2. Check Wi-Fi connection. The blue light usually means Wi-Fi activity. Make sure your printer is connected to the correct wireless network. Step 3. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn off your router for 30 seconds and restart it. This can fix temporary network problems. Step 4. Move printer closer to router. Weak Wi-Fi signals can cause the blue light to blink continuously. Keep the printer near the router. Step 5. Check for paper jam. Open the printer cover and remove any stuck paper carefully from inside the printer. Step 6. Verify ink cartridges. Make sure all ink cartridges are installed correctly and have enough ink. Step 7. Reconnect printer to Wi-Fi. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the blue light starts flashing, then reconnect using the Epson setup process. Step 8. Update printer drivers. Download and install the latest Epson printer drivers from the official Epson support website. Step 9. Run Epson Printer Troubleshooter. Use the built-in printer troubleshooter on your Windows or Mac computer to detect connection errors. Step 10. Reset the Epson printer. Restore the printer to factory settings from the printer menu, then set it up again from the beginning. Thanks for watching.